looking at a Load Trail 903 series truck bed. This is a new product offering, or fairly new product offering from them, and it is really built well. It's a robust design. It's similar to the other ones, you know, the competition. And they use a little bit different headache rack. These lights are really unique. They kind of grow on you. They're pretty sharp. They're LEDs, of course. And you got two in the front, or in the headache rack, and you got a couple down below, a couple on each side down below. And then of course you got your bullet marker lights. You got the marker lights all the way around, red in back, orange in front. This particular one has the fills, one in there. This is for a chassis truck. This is actually a new old stock bed. They use the 4-inch frame rails. And the tread plate on the deck, standard. Now let's take a look at the gooseneck hitch. There's your 2 5/16 ball. Notice the thickness of this metal. Look at that. That is heavy. And then notice this. Same thickness. I didn't measure it. It's like 3/8 of an inch thick. So it's like 3/4 inch thick down below or more. This thing is, if you wanted to rate it higher than 30,000, you probably could. It's very, very robust. This is the most robust gooseneck hitch that I've seen, and I've got a lot of experience with truck beds. I've seen many different ones. This one's very robust. So if you're going to haul a gooseneck and you're going to haul a heavy one, this is a real good way to go. Looking at the underside of a Load Trail 903 bed, and it has the your standard 4-inch runners all the way, and then look at that gooseneck box. This has got to be the strongest gooseneck box in the industry. There's so much meat there. The bottom part is folded over, and the top part is folded back. The ball hitch is tack welded into place and then bolted, and that is going to be your strongest situation. And then you look at these cross members, they're doubled up. The competitors don't have this like this. This is very robust. If you have any concerns about pulling a heavy gooseneck trailer, this one will do it for you. Very heavy. And then as far as the receiver hitch goes, something I've noticed that is uncommon. Well, first, if you look down here at the hitch where your chains connect, it is a heavy plate of steel. If you look, it's wrapped around, welded fully. The receiver hitch, the big receiver hitch, look at that tube, that crossbar. And then your, notice in here, let's see if I can get that for you. There is a hole cut, and they weld the inside of that to give it even extra added strength. So your receiver hitch is very robust, and the metal that they use is a heavier metal. So the bed's a little heavier, but it's gonna hold up to any kind of abuse that you put under it.